Do you also want to create high-quality historical AI videos for free, with cinematic visuals, perfect soundtrack, and characters speaking real powerful dialogue, without paying anything and without any watermark? If your answer is yes, then this is exactly what you have been looking for. Today, I am going to show you a free AI tool that lets you create unlimited historical and mythical videos on a single platform with no subscription, no hidden charges, and no need for multiple tools. Whether you want animated historical legends, realistic battle scenes, mythical characters, or dramatic storytelling with professional sound quality, this tool gives you complete creative freedom to turn your imagination into stunning, professional-level videos completely free. Before we move forward, just take a look at these amazing videos.
They think the rich rule without consequence, and in every Shah's justice. Step carefully.
I have watched empires rise and fall, yet none have their race supreme.
I've changed something, and now it's changing me.
The threads of time are fragile, and the fate of kingdoms rests in their one Shah, but beware viewing.
All the videos you just saw were created using a single free AI tool that provides everything in one place. The name of the tool is Grok AI. Simply go to Google and search for Grok AI. Click on the first link and you will land on the homepage, sign up, and your dashboard will be ready within moments. The interface is simple, clean, and very easy to use. Now let us start our journey. But before creating our first video, we need to adjust a simple setting that will save our time and give us better control. Click on the settings option, go to behavior, and disable the automatic video generation option. This step is important because it prevents unnecessary auto generation, saves your credits, and gives you full creative control over your videos. Now we are ready to create our first video. Simply click on the image option and switch it to video mode. After that, choose your preferred aspect ratio according to your platform. Then enter your prompt describing the historical or mythical scene you want to create and press the generate button. The video will start generating, and within a short time, your result will be ready. And here we go.
No mortal dares challenge the sea, not tonight!
The result looks amazing, the video quality is impressive, the soundtrack perfectly matches the vibe of the scene, and the character is speaking real dialogue with clear sound quality. Everything feels cinematic and professional, and there is absolutely no watermark. And remember, this is completely free. Now, simply download it. To test the consistency, I repeated the same process again. I entered a new prompt, pressed the generate button, and created another video. And here we go.
They think they can hide from what waits in the dark.
Once again, the result is top-notch. The visuals are high quality, the soundtrack matched perfectly, and the dialogue felt natural and realistic. There is no watermark at all. Then I repeated the process multiple times and generated many videos in different styles. Here are the results.
You still believe you can stop me? Or still be a witness? From ashes rise the truth's mortals fear.
Every time, the quality was impressive. The soundtrack matched the scene perfectly, the characters spoke clearly, and the overall result looked professional. For a free AI tool, this is truly impressive. There are many AI tools in the market that charge high subscription fees for similar features, but this tool gives you full freedom without any cost. You can create unlimited videos and experiment with different styles. Even if you ever run into any limit, you can simply use another account and continue creating without stopping your creativity. Nowadays, finding a free AI tool that provides this level of quality and creative freedom is not easy. So as long as this opportunity is available, you should definitely try it. Create amazing historical and mythical videos, grow your audience, and even turn your content into a source of income. So guys, I have guided you step by step. Now it is your turn to take action. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your ideas with us in the comments. We will continue bringing powerful and useful AI tools for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.